sir. Your name and media affiliation.
Hello po, good afternoon. I'm Dwight De Leon po from Rappler. Kanina you mentioned about the need to pass the land use bill. And it is because of in light of the dumadaming subdivisions dito sa Laguna at natatabunan yung mga agricultural industries natin. But one of your members of your alliance, Deputy Speaker Camille Villar, comes from a family who has a history of not really supporting the bill. The House already passed the land use bill in 2023, but Deputy Speaker Villar was present that day, but she did not vote on the bill, and it has been languishing in the Senate since. And ang head po ng Senate Committee on Environment is si Senator Cynthia Villar. And this is not just exclusive to this Congress, but it also happened in the 17th and 18th Congress. How can we ensure that when you say that kailangan nating ipasa yung land use bill or that isusulong natin tong land use bill, this won't be lip service? And ano yung active measures na gagawin nyo when you become senators? Will you probably push for a new Environment Committee chairperson that is not named Villar? Thank you.
All right. Congressman, go ahead.
Yes, no. Alam naman natin every new Congress elects its new leadership, no? So it will depend on the composition of the new House of Representatives, and it will be the new composition of the Senate that will elect the leadership to these chairmanship positions, no? So sa tingin ko naman makikita natin na dito nga babalik ulit tayo sa track record ng ating mga kandidato. Makikita naman natin that they will vote for whatever is good for the leadership in order to promote the legislative agenda of the administration. So magtiwala lang po tayo.
Yung iba po ba mga senatoriables po ba natin, baka may gusto pong sabihin?
Hindi po kasi masasagot yan kasi ang bumoboto dyan yung mayorya ng senador. Kahit naman sila sumagot, hindi rin naman po nila masasagot dahil hindi naman po sila mayorya. Dahil if you will recall, ang proseso niyan is there is a motion presented and it has to be voted upon by the majority.
But
no?
individually po kaya will they support a new...
Ako, isang solusyon, I will move to elect Senator Erwin Tulfo as the chairman of the Committee on Environment.
Are you open to that as Congressman Tulfo in case may become a senator and you're offered that position?
Alam mo naman, nagkaroon na ng problema yung utol ko dati dyan. Bangga-banggaan eh.
Kayo, Senator Soto, you're
Yes.
part of the previous Congresses.
No, we can't do anything. I mean, it's a problem. We have to solve this problem. Otherwise, it will go on and on. We must pass the National Land Use Act. Naabuso na po eh. Para kahit yung gusto magbenta dahil enticing eh. Babayaran ka namin na ganito, bibiling ko yung lupa mo na ilang milyon, etc., etc. Wow, sasabihin po ng farmer o ng tao, para naman sa ito, para sa ekonomiya, etc. Without thinking na lumiliit po yung ating agricultural land. Yeah, kasi we keep on developing, ginagawa yung subdivision, etc. So we really need to pass this. May mga masasagasaan ho dyan. Well, we can't do anything kasi we have to be for the people po eh. Hindi po for the few. It is for the whole nation. Otherwise, wala hong mangyayari. If we keep on closing our eyes, especially in Senate, wala hong mangyayari. Dapat ho, tuldukan na yan. Dapat ho, ipasa na yan. It's high time. I'm sorry, may magagalit tong ilan, but we really have to do this.
Thank you so much. Attorney Abalos would like to respond to your question as well.
Nag-usap kami ni Abby kanina eh. Natawa ko sa comment niya. Baka raw pwede bang manalo muna kami? Pero ito lang yon. Kung ano man ang mangyari in the future, kung maging fortunate enough to land in the Senate, naka-record naman lahat ito eh. Narinig yung mga sinabi namin kanina, no? At halos lahat. I am for the land use plan. Why? We are talking about food security here. Food sustainability. This is our lifeline. Mahirap nakita natin epekto, pinag-uusapan nga, di ba, pagkain. Kung gusto natin gumaang ito, pasan natin ang land use plan. para sa akin. And I assure you, no, count me in na naka-record yan. Kasama ko rito. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We now move on to our
Ako,
next question.
meron pa
Yes,
ako,
you'd like to
I will
respond as
move
well?
to elect Senator Ben Abalos to be the Vice Chairman.
Thank you so much for that, Senator
Thank you,
Bing. All right. Now we move on to our next question, please.
Hi, good afternoon.